It's time. You're finally ready to invest in growing your cleaning business. That means getting serious about your marketing. First of all, congratulations. A lot of cleaners never get started with marketing at all, which is unfortunate because marketing is a critical part of any thriving business. Maybe you're looking at marketing agencies. Hopefully you've picked out a couple that look like a good fit. If you're considering a growth plan with Book Cleaning Jobs, I'd encourage you to watch this video first. It'll guide you through the process of hiring Book Cleaning Jobs to handle the marketing for your cleaning business. First things first, if you're ready to get started, book a growth plan call with one of our cleaning industry marketing specialists to make sure our plans are a good fit for you. Our plans aren't for everyone. They're for cleaners who are already making money with their cleaning company or have money set aside to launch their business and are able to commit at least $2,000 a month for the next 3 months. This amount covers the cost of the plan and your Google Ads spend. On the growth plan call, we'll ask questions about your cleaning business to determine if our plans are a good fit for you. We'll also cover everything that's included in our plans, and you'll have an opportunity to ask any questions that you might have. Once you've let us know that you're ready to start and can commit to at least 90 days on the plan, we'll set a date for your launch call, provide access to our 24/7 marketing dashboard, and send you your first month's invoice. Heads up, availability for these calls is limited. We may not have an immediate launch date available during our busiest seasons of the year. Plan ahead and contact us early if you need your cleaning company's website or ads launched by a specific date. Once your first invoice has been paid, we'll confirm your launch call. The launch call is a chance for us to get to know you and your cleaning business. We'll ask lots of questions as we complete your onboarding form. Things like how long you've been in business, what your service area is, what your cleaning process looks like, and why customers should hire you instead of the competition. We'll ask you to provide us with some photos and your logo too. This gives us a better picture of your cleaning company and allows us to tailor your ads and your website copy to fit your business. Here's what happens during the first 30 days. After the launch call, the Book Cleaning Jobs team will get right to work. Trust us, the first 30 days will go by quickly. That's why we work to get everything turned around to you without delay so that we can start driving results for you right away. And don't worry, we'll send everything to you for approval before it goes live. If you've selected the growth plan, we'll launch your cleaning company's new SEO-friendly website first. This serves as the foundation for both your paid media and your organic marketing strategies. Then we'll get your Google Ads and local service ads or Google Guaranteed accounts set up so that you can start collecting leads and booking more cleaning appointments. We'll also make sure that you have systems in place to handle the leads as they come in. It's important for new clients to respond to leads as quickly as possible. We have some copy and paste scripts that may be helpful if you don't have a lead response strategy in place for your cleaning business already. Finally, our team will work to deliver the remaining parts of your growth plan, including optimizations to your Google business profile, responding to reviews, scheduling social posts, and more. Your first 90 days are very important. During this time, you'll be receiving calls, leads, and bookings for cleaning jobs in your local area. You'll start to get a better understanding of how much your ads and leads will cost on average and how much money you'll make per job. We'll work to optimize your Google Ads account, and over time, your results will improve and more leads will come in. If you have Housecall Pro, we'll help you get set up to ask for reviews. By the way, we can help integrate Housecall Pro's online booking with your new website. Please be sure to send new photos and videos of cleaning jobs you're working on in the field. We'll use these photos to power your marketing. Taking more photos and allowing us to use them in your marketing is a great way to get ahead of the competition. After the first 90 days, we seek long-term relationships with our clients. That's why we lead with a lot of value up front and try to deliver results as quickly as possible for the cleaning companies who choose Book Cleaning Jobs. If you like the results you've been getting for the first 90 days, we encourage you to stay on and continue letting us handle your marketing needs. Your search engine optimization usually starts to heat up around the 6-month mark, especially if you've been actively asking customers for reviews and taking photos of the jobs that you perform. An organic traffic boost can bring in more leads and jobs that can help offset the cost of your paid ads. Speaking of paid ads, we'd love to add an inexpensive but highly effective display campaign around this point. We found that cleaners who run display ads get better overall results from their Google Ads account, and they grow a bigger brand in their local area. We'll set up a display campaign for your cleaning company to prospect for new customers and remarket to people who've been on your website already. At 9 months, your marketing should be flying at full speed, and we hope your cleaning business is starting to look very different to you. By year 1, we hope to celebrate your growth and success over the past year. We've watched cleaners grow bigger than they ever thought possible. In small towns, suburbs, big cities, and everywhere we have clients across the United States. We want to be your critical growth partner and to add your name to the list of case studies and testimonials from the happy clients we proudly serve at Book Cleaning Jobs. Investing in your business is a big commitment. Are you ready to grow your cleaning business? If the answer is yes, then book a call with us today.